Right. Hey, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Raiketlamo, Rjabnatimo. Guys, now you see here now we are in the at the end of the ship. This is the end of the ship where we are now. The ship is sailing, as you can see now. We are sailing. Right. As you can see here, on top here, it's actually we are actually at the on the infinity pools, guys. That's where we are, all right. And on top there, on top there, I'll show you guys as time goes, right. Infinity pools, right. On top there, you see on that section there is where the what you call what is this? The lifts are actually going. This thing is actually huge. It has got 20th floor, but I'll show you nicely. But I just want to show you guys. Right, so as you can see there, so the guys are actually enjoying themselves. These are all infinity pools. They just relax.